How to use audio equalizer in Audacity. Equalization is the process of adjusting the volume of different frequency bands within an audio signal. To begin, I imported an audio. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Double-click on the audio to select it. Now from Effect menu, EQ and Filters, select Filter Curve EQ or Graphic EQ. Here I use Filter Curve EQ. Here set preset to low roll-off for speech, which can be used to reduce unwanted low-frequency noises. Now let's add a treble boost. Treble boosting creates a brighter, more airy sound, and bass boosting adds warmth, thumping, and power. Click on the 5000 Hz to add a point. Then add another point at 4000 Hz. Drag the 5000 Hz point to around 3 dB. Now click to add a point at 16,000 Hz. And drag from the right side of the line to something below -24 dB. Now we have a nice EQ and we can save it for future uses. Click on Presets button and choose Save Preset. Set a name for it and click OK. Now I can load my preset and click Apply. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.